This is the second video on how to install your video card drivers. The last video we did was on AMD, and this one here is going to be on the Nvidia drivers. So from your desktop, all you're going to do is over in your bottom right toolbar, you're going to click on the Nvidia icon and you're going to select the GeForce Experience, not the control panel, and that's going to pop up the interface. Once you do that, up at the top left you'll see drivers. You're going to click on that, and then you'll see right here where I'm pointing the driver update. So click on download. It won't take that long. We'll give that a minute. It all depends on your internet connection and how fast this will download. Hopefully you liked the last video. If you did, please do me a favor and consider subscribing to the channel. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright, it's finished downloading. It's going to prepare the package, and then we'll go into the installation. Okay, so you got the Express and you got the custom. I'm going to do the custom installation. What that will do is that will completely remove the current driver and install this update as the primary and fresh install. The Express installation will just override what you currently have out there. For most installs, I would say go ahead with the Express installation. I'm doing the custom because I had some small issues. So this is showing you exactly, custom drivers. I want to perform a clean install, and I'm going to click the install button. And it's going to go ahead and remove the old driver. As you can see right now, installing graphic driver. Your screen's going to go ahead and it's going to blink. And then it'll go ahead and install the new driver. When it's finished, it's going to ask you to go ahead and restart. So we did that, and you can see that your driver has been updated to 524, and that's it. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope again that it was very, very helpful. As a reminder, to get to the Nvidia settings, you just go down to the bottom right corner, as I'm showing you right now, and right click and click on the GeForce Experience. If you have any questions, again, please go ahead and put them down there in the comments. If you like this video, please hit the like button. That'd be great. And consider subscribing to the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and stay safe and stay healthy. Take care.